Welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for June 2024. As we relax into this shared time of prayer and stillness together, we center into the awareness of oneness. Sharing in the breath of divine life, we inhale and exhale. Every breath draws awareness deeper into the inner sanctuary, where we draw from infinite power for the moment of need and possibility. Breathing in, God is. Breathing out, I am. Breathing in, God is. Breathing out, I am. Quieting those extraneous thoughts and stilling the physical body, we enter into the field of prayer. My thoughts are anchored in divine peace. Breathing in, God is peace. Breathing out, I am peace. Every cell of my body and every space in consciousness responds to the command of peace. Peace in my brain, peace in my heart, peace in my body, peace in my emotions. I embody open-heartedness and open-mindedness in peace. The discerning power of divine wisdom is my inner resource. I need never worry about making decisions when I attune to divine wisdom. I pray, affirming my capacity to notice and heed whispers of truth. Whether they arise while I pray or as I move about my day, I am learning to trust my gut, the seat of divine wisdom in my body system. In faith, I am free. Affirming the perceiving power of faith, I sharpen my perception of circumstances so that I focus on the truth. The transforming work of faith is my practice, in prayer and throughout the day. I stand in conviction of a truth that I cannot see, but I can sense. And I live in full expectation of all that is for me. Freely I give, and graciously I receive. The Spirit of God, everywhere, and the essence of everything, is the source of my abundant life. When thoughts of scarcity cloud my vision, I respond by giving freely in a state of gratitude. I welcome and embrace all the blessings that come my way. Holding my thoughts in order, I serve the world. I hold the world and all beings in the light of peace and love. Guarding my thoughts, I choose compassion. Measuring my words, I choose encouragement. Preparing my actions, I choose kindness. I order my thoughts in service to a better world. God is and I am. As we conclude this time of prayer and return to the day's activities, we remain aware of our spiritual capacity to embody the divine. Let our prayer lead to inspired action in the world, in our communities and families, and in our daily lives. Let us now close with the unity prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for sharing in this time today.